Yours. Do you want to cut the other side too, or just one side?
It's one side.
Oh, great.
Come on. Come on.
Clip.
There. There.
That's nothing compared to what you what I cut off of
That's
yours.
all I can get.
That's okay.
Let me try to get some more.
Where are you? You want to get more? How about on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's fun, right?
Yeah, I found out the secret. You have to flatten out your head.
Way up there?
Not much. Hey, just let me try.
Okay, whatever you want. I don't care.
Put it behind your ear.
Alright, hold on. Did you get any? Yo! You want to do more?
I think I got enough.
Alright.
Oh, wait, a little more.
I don't care if you cut it.
All of it.
I don't care.
Lean down lower. Okay. Because I have a key. Okay, here's a key.
You cutting bangs? Not looking, not right there.
That's
Huh? Oh God.
it.
Okay.
He said it and
Alright, well, you're gonna be bald, so I don't care if I'm bald.
Okay. There. Here.
Thank you. Whoa, that's a lot. It's exactly the same color as yours. Look. Oh, I think it looks nice. You did a good job. You okay? Okay. Beautiful. And you're beautiful.
Here's the dangerous scissors.
Thank you. Smooch.
Mm.
I love you, Julia.